Hello YouTube, the Two Cools 2. This will be the first video for the winter storm that's hitting the Northeast between December 9th, 2013 to December 10th. So this is going to be pretty, not like a large amount, but like a decent amount, 6 inches the most apparently. This from Eyewitness News Channel 7, so I'm gonna do this image. If you don't know, I live in New York City, in Brooklyn. Alright, so locally 6 inches from over here to south part of Brooklyn, south part of Staten Island, and south part of Staten Island. This is an old picture. They had an updated version. It was more Long Island, Brooklyn, and Staten Island. And according to some people, now it should be saying the 6 inches should say 6 plus, and for 2 to 4 it should say 4 to 6 according to the newer models. So let's take a look at the active IntelliCast for the map. I haven't used this in a while, but figured might as well. My computer keeps freezing, by the way, so I might get a hiccup during this video. There we go. Sorry about that. Alright, so I'm afraid the computer's gonna freeze again. Something wrong with my power supply. Anyway, we have system over here. Yeah, I don't know if you can see the mouse. It's kind of glitched. System over here. And they're all combining to converge onto the Northeast right now. So right now, according to this model, we have over here the load. This is dark rays, a winter storm warning. The lighter gray, I believe, is a winter weather advisory, and the blue is a winter storm watch. So as I said, I'm right over here. Hopefully might turn to a winter storm warning or something, because I want to get some captured first snow of the season. Hope school is closed, because it's time to get out of school. Most of the storm will be over. So I'm gonna press play. Should progress in over time. Alright, so this is by 1:30, 3, 5:30, 7:40, 9:40, 11:40, 1:40, and 4 o'clock and 6 p.m. So it's going pretty fast. Let me try to go that slower. Let me zoom out actually. My computer frozen. Alright, I'll press play again. 1:30, 3:30, 5:30, 7:40, 9:40, 11:40, 1:40, 3:50, 5:50. So by 9 from let me pause it actually. Let's see, by right here 9. Oh, I can't pause it apparently. Okay, so by 9, that's 8. Actually, no, 8 is when the storm really starts picking up. The 7 is going to be maybe a bit flurry. By 8, the sun is just going to rapidly pick up. So that's why school administrators are going to be having trouble all night deciding whether to close school, and they're supposed to decide between 5 and 5:30 in the morning, because they don't know whether they want to close school or not. So you can check. I'll type the link in a second. Computer unfreezes. Okay, it'll be at abclocal.go.com. So it's WABC/index. I'll put the link in the description. And there's winter weather advisory. Schools closed or delayed. Find out here. Say Tuesday night be clear, cool low 42. Wednesday be high 32. Friday be high 30. It's been much faster. My computer wasn't freezing, but there's nothing I can really do. There's something wrong with my power supply. The power of my graphics card. But anyway, that's basically it. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna have videos up soon. The actual weather. I did upload a video yesterday of the snow. It wasn't really a lot. There was a few showers. Hopefully this one's more exciting. Okay, so stay tuned for updates. Thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and yeah, check out my other weather videos if you're out already. Yeah, thanks for watching YouTube. Bye bye.